A piece of plastic. So in this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace an aerator. When you bought your sink, will come with one of these castellated tools. They come in different sizes, usually by different colors. Also buy them, link in the description below. And here you could see slots. So we'll take the tool, we'll align it so that it grips those teeth. They rotate counterclockwise. And now we can see there's one piece with threads on the outside. This is the aerator flow restrictor at the tip. So if you're seeing a clog, just clean the screen out. If you don't have the restrictor in, you'll get a very uneven flow of water. If you would like to remove the restriction device, remove this white plastic piece. Here, we are just taking this out to clean and inspect. Water is very expensive in our city. We're gonna keep the restrictor in. To replace it, you could just align it. Hand thread to start off. To reinstall. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.